Going to do something a little different today. We're not traveling. It's now fall, winter's coming. So we're going to put the van to bed. I've got the water drained and I've got the pump siphoned out. So the rest of the stuff is putting the van over here where the truck goes, cleaning it up, making sure everything's ready for winter until June when we go back to Canada. Well, that's it. She's all put together for one more winter, and if we don't use it before June, she'll be ready.